No, muszę tak się... Bye.
Cha-cha.
Hi.
Cha-cha.
It's okay.
Good boy. Good boy.
There's a special society out there. Its members don't need an alarm clock to wake up. They don't need an inspirational poster to remind them that every day is an adventure. It's a society of athletes and explorers, with members who aren't afraid to get dirty. For them, sit, stay, and roll over aren't commands. They're a password. And in this society, everyone knows the handshake. And even when this society is unable to meet, they can count on each other. They are always connected, always close by, always looking out for each other. Because they are linked by a bond that cannot be broken.
Used by more than 1 million cats today, this is the Rolling Clean Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Its simple yet smart design makes cleaning your cat's litter box easy. All you have to do is roll it over and you're pretty much done. To use the Rolling Clean Self-Cleaning Litter Box, slide off the tabs and fill it up to the line measurements inside the box with clumping cat litter. Then just give your cat some time. For now to demonstrate, we'll use water. The Rolling Clean Litter Box has a grill inside that catches clumped waste. When you roll the box onto its top, the waste is caught while the clean litter passes through the grill, getting rid of the bad stuff and keeping the good stuff. You may wish to give it a bit of a counter roll back. When you roll it back down, the waste goes into the pull-out tray while the clean litter covers the bottom. You'll see your litter box is level with cat litter, clean and ready to use again. Now if only your cat could clean its litter box.
Every day, you strive for faster, easier, and less messy. So, wouldn't you want the same experience for your dog? Bissell understands the challenges of bathing your furry friend and the even bigger mess it can create. The Bissell Bark Bath is an all-in-one system for pet parents, eliminating the frustrations and messy cleanup that's inevitable when washing your four-legged family members. Bathing your dog is faster, easier, and less messy with the Bissell Bark Bath.
Hi, I'm Sunny Technical Design here at Outward Hound, and this is Barley.
Today we're going to show you how to measure your dog to find and order the best fitting gear.
First, you're going to need a tape measure and paper and pencil to write down the measurements. Wrap around the widest point behind the arms. Barley is a 24-inch girth. Also take into consideration your pup's weight, and if you happen to be between sizes, then size up. You can refer to our sizing charts on our website, and if you need additional help, you can chat live through our website or send us an email.
Do you ever wonder if you're overfeeding your pet? Studies show feeding your pet the right amount every day will help them live longer. But how do you know how much to feed your pet? Introducing the PetNet Smart Feeder, a new smartphone-controlled automatic pet feeder that feeds your pet the right amount of food each day. Using factors such as your pet's age, weight, activity level, and food type, the PetNet Smart Feeder will feed the healthiest portions at the right time, every time. With the PetNet app, you can schedule and monitor your pet's meals through your smartphone. Receive notifications on your phone for successful feedings or when your food is running low. Have the confidence to know your pet is being fed even when you're running late. And when you're away, the Smart Feeder connects with the Nest Cam, allowing you to stay connected with your pet. Nest Cam makes checking in on your pet simple when used with the PetNet app. The Nest Cam will even send you a snapshot so you can see if your pets are eating every meal. Go hands-free when you connect the Smart Feeder with the Amazon Alexa. Use your voice so Alexa can control the Smart Feeder for you. This is especially helpful for those of us who have dogs and cats that like to wake us up early when they're feeling hungry, or when your hands are occupied from chores around the house like cooking. At PetNet, it's our goal to make caring for a pet easier while ensuring that our furry friends are living to their full potential. So let's make sure we provide them everything they need for a longer and happier life. The PetNet Smart Feeder. Healthy pets, happy owners.
Love to travel with your pet but sick of low-quality pet carriers and broken zippers? Then Mr. Peanut's airline-approved, soft-sided pet carrier is for you. It makes traveling with your cat or dog easy. The secret is its premium quality materials and low-profile design with a pliable top that can easily stow under the 8.5-inch seat in front of you. It incorporates high-end YKK zippers and sturdy metal locking clasps to keep your pet safe and sound. The padded shoulder strap and comfortable handle make transporting it a breeze, and the large open-air mesh ventilation windows on the top and sides ensure plenty of airflow. It comes with a full satisfaction guarantee. Ready to stop wasting your money on lesser carriers? Then it's time to purchase the one built to last. Click on the link below to order yours today.